Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Hera English School online teaching. We had started with lesson 3.5 Unbeatable Supermom Mary Kom. Let us recapitulate some of the things. Mary Kom was a female boxer from India who was the lady who had won the Olympics bronze medal for India, and she had dedicated totally with her hard work. She had came up from basically from a village in Manipur, and with her hard work she had a fight with all the bad lucks in her life, and then she came up to be a international champion in boxing. Okay, now here we were going through the interview of hers. On page number 131 we had started that when Mary was asked that by the interviewer that India should get more medals. At this Mary says that yes, the poor students, so the poor talented students who are very much eager and having talent in sports should be motivated, should be sponsored by the corporates. Corporate means the companies or the industries, and the sponsorship, that is sponsorer, that is organizations that pay or aid the sportsman or the sports event. Now the next question which the interviewer says that do you think interest in boxing in India will ever go beyond the Olympics? At this Mary Kom answers that yes, I am sure that in a few years boxing will be more popular among the children in India and everyone in India all over. Okay, so she is quite confident that boxing is the game or which is going to be motivated in India, and people are going to play more of the boxing, not only just for the Olympics or limited or restricted like the cricket which is played in every corner of the houses and every lane of India. So same with the boxing, she says. Okay, now the interviewer moves further saying how aware are Indian women of their nutritional requirements. Diets and nutrition must have been a key factor in your conditioning for the Olympics. Do you think nutrition is a delicate area neglected area? Sorry, I'm extremely sorry. Do you think nutrition is a neglected area in Indian sports? Okay. Now, a very genuine and very brilliant question is asked by the interviewer that Indian women are not taking care of their nutrition, and she says in the sports nutrition plays a very important role. As we know in science, balanced diet is an important thing for the people. Same way, balanced diet and proper nutrition is required for the energy to be maintained in the body for the sports. And so the women in India should have a proper diet or not. At this Mary replies, the awareness is growing now. Now the women last time were not having this awareness that balanced diet and proper nutrition should be taken care of in their body. Now Mary Kom says the awareness is growing now among the female athletes when it comes to nutritional requirements. Nutrition has definitely been a neglected area in Indian sports. I had to gain 3 kg since I had to fight in the 51 kg event instead of the usual 48 kg that I fight in. So, I had to focus on what to eat. I gained weight by eating the right kind of healthy food rather than bad saturated fats. See, people they eat, but they are not aware in India of the nutrition. The consciousness for the nutrition is important as for the sports women, especially the women in India. They are malnourished many a times. You will see the women in India They are being neglected because of this, and now the awareness is growing within the community, within the society, and especially within the sports. That proper nutrition will help you to get that proper energy, spontaneous energy, which is required at the ground level for the sports person. Okay, what do you mean by saturated fats? Saturated fats means the unhealthy fats. Okay. Interviewer says, ask the question, how big is a role did the OGQ play in shaping the boxing scene in India for the better? That is the Olympic gold quest. OGQ means Olympic gold quest. That means how the Indians are aware that they should get more of the gold medals in boxing. Mary Kom says, OGQ really played an important part in my success. They helped me out whenever I needed something. They took care of everything, which helped me focus on my boxing and kept me stress free. What is OGQ? OGQ is actually a foundation which helped to motivate the talented sportsmen for the gold medal. Okay. Now the interviewer asks, what's your opinion on the future of Indian boxing? Now at this she replies, the future is very bright and I'm sure many more boxers will get medals for us. Interviewer says, he further asks, do you find it difficult to convince your children not to fight when they watch you go out and do it in style all the time? Now, interviewer is asking a tricky question to her regarding her family members, the small sons she is having. The interviewer is asking that whether this her child, when they see her doing the fight, do they also fight? Do they also start fighting at these? Let us see what she replies. Mary Kom says, well, I have twins and yes, sometimes it becomes really difficult to keep them under control. As they see her, as they see their mother always having the fight, giving the box and punches to others, they get motivated and they themselves also have a fight. Now Mary Kom is having a twin children. Sometimes it becomes difficult for her to control them while they are fighting. Now again interviewer asks, will you train your kids to become boxers as well? Mary Kom replies, I haven't really thought about it. As of now, just let their mother box. Now she is telling that I have not thought regarding that, what they will become in the future, but just now, for now, let their mother do the boxing. Okay. Now, interviewer asks the question, you have broken several stereotypes. What do you mean by stereotype? A fixed idea held as a common standard, especially for the women of India, that they should be playing in particular this sport only and they will not play that particular sport. It was a old type of thinking, orthodox type of thinking. Okay. You have broken several stereotypes about the women in India by showing that women can compete with men in any field. But how good are you at the traditional feminine activities like cooking? Now she has been asked personal question regarding the family matter, that is she able to cook in a proper manner at her home? Now this is very much important. Whether you become a doctor or an engineer, as a woman you are supposed to cook in a proper manner at home. That is the thing. The Indian tradition goes this way. So let us see what Mary Kom replies to this. Mary Kom says, well, I am good at cooking and other household works too. So she is also a very good cook and she also does all the household work of her house. Interviewer, Would you be interested in coaching Indian women in boxing one day? She's been asked by the interviewer that is she interested in coaching the women in India for doing the boxing? At this, Mary Kom replies, let's see in the future, maybe yes. Interviewer asks, what do you prefer being? Now the last question, an interesting one too. Now interviewer asks her, what do you prefer being called super mom or super boxer? Whether she should be called as a professional boxer who is a super boxer, or whether she should be called as a super mom. At this, Mary Kom replies, I love being a mom. That's the best thing that has ever happened to me. See, as a woman, she has been answering that yes, her first love is that she become a mother to the child, and she is taking best care of the children, and she says that's the best thing that has happened to her, that she has kids and she takes good care of those kids. Now here on page number 132, there are awards and recognition which she got. The Arjuna Award for boxing she got in the year 2003. Then she got Padma Shri Sports Award in 2006. Contender for Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award in the year 2007. People of the Year Limca Book of Records in the year 2007. CNN, IBM and Reliance Industries Real Heroes Award in the next year, that is 2008. Then Pepsi MTV Youth AIBA Award in 2008. Okay. Then Magnificent Mary AIBA Award in the year 2008 again. Now felicitation by Zumi Students Federation at New Lamka YPA Hall in the year 2008. Then in 2009 she got the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Further, she got International Boxing Association's Ambassador for Women's Boxing in 2009. And 2010 she got Sportswoman of the Year Sahara Sports Award in 2010. See what an achievement, what an hard work, what an dedication. In spite of being a woman and having lots of hurdles, she had dedicated her life and she came up as a success. So it's a big motivation for the girls in India that after a hard work, even the boys can try. In the sports field, you need to do a hard dedication. If you are interested, yes, you can achieve. So with this, we end this lesson. Alhamdulillah. We'll continue next time. Jazakallah.